In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 301 redirect for an old page URL in the website app. First, open the website app. This is where you'll manage your site pages and control how visitors are routed from one page to another. If you're updating a page URL or replacing an older page with a new one, setting up a redirect is an important step because it helps visitors reach the correct content automatically. Once you're in the website app, go to Site and then Pages. This will bring up the list of pages currently available on your website. From there, open the page you want to redirect. Make sure you select the page that should become the new destination, because the redirect settings will be configured on that page record. After the page opens, scroll down until you find the redirect settings section. This is where you'll define the older URL that should now send traffic to the current page. In the old URL field, enter the old URL path you want to redirect. Be careful to enter the path correctly, since even a small typo can prevent the redirect from working as expected. Next, enable the setting called Redirect Old URL. Turning this on tells the system to actively redirect anyone who visits that previous address. Under Redirect Type, choose 301 Moved Permanently. This option is typically used when the old page has been permanently replaced, and it helps indicate to browsers and search engines that the content has moved to a new location. Now, make sure the page URL is set to the new destination URL. This is important, because the redirect will send visitors from the old path to whatever URL is currently assigned to this page. Before saving, it's a good idea to quickly review both the old path and the new page URL to confirm they match what you intend. When everything looks correct, click Save to create the redirect. Saving applies the changes and activates the redirect behavior on your site. Finally, test the setup by opening the old URL in your browser. If everything has been configured properly, it should automatically take you to the new page. This final check is useful because it confirms that visitors will have a smooth experience and won't land on an outdated or missing page. Thanks for watching.